This lesson is for beginner English learners. By the end, you'll know how to talk about your free time and ask others what they like to do. Let's start. Hey, Brian, what do you do in your free time?
Oh, I usually watch movies. How about you?
I like to read books. Sometimes I go for a walk.
Nice. Do you read every day?
Not every day, maybe 3 or 4 times a week.
That's pretty often.
So when we ask about free time, we say, what do you do in your free time? Let's practice that. Say, what do you do in your free time?
What do you do in your free time?
Perfect. Say it again.
What do you do in your free time?
Great. Now, how do we answer? We can say, I like to, plus the activity. For example, I like to read. I like to watch TV. I like to cook.
Oh, so I can say, I like to play video games.
Exactly. You can also say, I usually, or I often, or I sometimes. These words tell us how much you do something.
Right. So I usually play video games on weekends.
Yes. What about during the week?
During the week, I'm pretty busy, but sometimes I watch a show before bed.
That's relaxing. Do you watch anything specific?
Comedies, mostly. They help me unwind.
I get that. After a long day, it's nice to laugh.
For sure. What about hobbies? Is that the same as free time?
Pretty much. Hobbies are things you enjoy doing regularly, like reading is my hobby.
Got it. So playing guitar could be a hobby.
Absolutely. Do you play guitar?
A little bit. I'm not very good yet.
That's okay. Practice makes perfect.
True. How do I ask someone about their hobbies?
You can say, do you have any hobbies? Let's practice. Say, do you have any hobbies?
Do you have any hobbies?
Excellent. Say it again.
Do you have any hobbies?
Perfect. Now, let's talk about indoor and outdoor activities. Indoor means inside your house. Outdoor means outside.
So reading is indoor?
Usually, yes, but you could read outside too.
Right, like at the park.
Exactly. What's an outdoor activity you enjoy?
I like to go hiking. Not often, but maybe once a month.
That sounds fun. Where do you go?
There's a trail near my house. It's pretty easy.
Nice. Hiking is great exercise.
Yeah, and it's peaceful. What outdoor activities do you like?
I like to go for walks. Sometimes I ride my bike.
Do you go alone or with friends?
Both. Alone is nice for thinking. With friends is more social.
That makes sense. I'm the same way.
Now, let's learn how to talk about frequency. We use words like always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never.
Can you give me examples?
Sure. I always drink coffee in the morning. I usually read before bed. I sometimes watch movies on Friday nights.
And rarely means not very often.
Yes, I rarely eat fast food, maybe once every few months.
And never means 0 times.
Right, I never skip breakfast.
Okay, I think I've got it.
Let's practice with you. How often do you exercise?
I usually exercise 3 times a week.
Good. How often do you eat out?
I sometimes eat out on weekends, maybe twice a month.
Perfect. You're using these words correctly.
Thanks, this is helpful.
One more thing. When someone asks about your free time, you can also mention who you do things with.
Like saying, I watch movies with my friends.
Exactly. Or I go shopping with my sister. I cook with my roommate.
That adds more detail.
It does, and it keeps the conversation going.
Makes sense. People want to know more than just the activity.
Right. It's about connection. So if someone asks me, I could say, I usually play basketball with my coworkers after work.
Perfect example. That tells me what, when, and who.
Cool. I like how specific that is.
It makes you sound natural. Now you try. Tell me about something you do in your free time. I often go to coffee shops on Sunday mornings with my girlfriend.
That's great. Very natural.
Thanks, this was really useful.
I'm glad. Remember, talking about free time is one of the most common conversations you'll have in English.
Yeah, people always ask that.
So practice these phrases. Use them with friends, coworkers, or even strangers.
Will do.
All right, let's wrap up. We learned how to ask, "What do you do in your free time?" and how to answer with "I like to" or "I usually." We also learned frequency words like always, sometimes, and never.
And we talked about indoor and outdoor activities.
Right. Now, here's a question for you. What's one hobby you want to start this year? Leave a comment and let us know. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more easy English lessons. Thanks for listening.
See you next time.